Today we will see how can we model, analysis and design a beam using StatPro version 22. Next we shall assign properties to the beams that we have created. In order to assign properties to the beams created, click on Properties on the top next to the Geometry option. Here you can see on the right side a window has appeared and there is an option called Define. So first of all we have to define the cross section which is to be assigned on the beam. Click on Define. Here different types of cross sections can be defined. For the time being we are interested in rectangular cross section. Our beam is having a rectangular cross section with depth 0.45 and breadth 0.23 as per the question. Automatically material concrete is assigned and I am moving on with the same. While designing I can assign particular concrete properties. Just click on Add and close. Now you can see in this window a new property has been defined. Next is assigning the properties. Just check that the defined property is selected, that is in deep blue color, and then click on Assign and click on the first beam, then on the second beam and on the third beam. Now you can see that each beam is assigned with the reference number 1 properties and we are done with assigning the properties of the beam. The next step is to assign supports as per the given question. To assign supports to the given beam, we have to move on to the option Supports. Now on the right side the windows has been changed and here you need to create the supports as required. Now you can click on Create option. In the question you have two fixed supports at both ends and at B and C, that is at the nodes 2 and 3 you have roller supports. So I have to create a fixed support as well as roller support. Fixed support is already created. Here you can see fixed with all the movements and rotations restrained. You just need to add the support. Okay, so there is S2 support to fixed is created. Now you need a roller support also. So create and move to the fixed butt option. There you need to specify which all reactions to be released. In roller support there is only one vertical reaction, all the others are released. So I am releasing all the reactions and moments except Fy and click on Add. In case if you are interested in pinned support or hinge support, you can select this pinned. In this particular question, we are not using pinned support. Okay. So you have created support 2 fixed and support 3 a roller support. Now we will be assigning support 2 onto both the node 1 and 4. For the time being I am just switching off the beam numbers because I just want to see the node numbers. So I have clicked on support 2, it is in blue color. Then clicking on assign, I am assigning node 1 and node 4 with fixity. Now clicking on support 3, I am assigning node 2 and node 3 with the roller support. Okay, so the supports has been assigned.